Hi everyone, this is a short video on how to tune your guitar. So chances are if you have a guitar, it's probably a little out of tune. Maybe you don't know how to tune it back up, and so I'm going to give you 3 ways to figure out how to do that. The first way is the way that I recommend, and it's probably the best way, is to use one of these clip-on tuners like this. This one's called a snark. It clips onto your guitar like this. It's going to detect the vibrations of the strings in the guitar. So we have to know what we're trying to tune our guitar to. So each string is tuned to a different note. Here are the notes that we tune to: E, A, D, G, B, E. You can remember that by saying this fun phrase: Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie. You're gonna start by playing the top string like this, the E string. All right, and I'm gonna give you a zoom in shot here, hopefully. All right, so if I play this, it says E, and it looks like it's pretty much in tune. This is showing this green light right here, which is good. So now let's say it was out of tune. I'll purposely make it out of tune. I'll make it lower here. So if I go lower, you'll see that the red, it's in the red now, which means it's too low. And I'm gonna start turning this knob that controls the E string. I'm gonna start turning it away from me, or counterclockwise, and that's gonna raise the pitch like this. And you're gonna wanna play your string every so often so that it keeps ringing. And then once you get it in the middle, that one's in tune. All right, so we'll go to our next string. This would be the A string, all right? But let's say it was too high. Let's say it was up really high like that, okay? So now it shows that it's in the yellow, and I'm gonna have to lower it down while playing it until we get in the green, and then that's good. It's gonna always move around a little bit, you know? It might teeter from red to yellow. So our next one is a D. All right, tune it up here. Higher. Then we go down to this G string, all right? I'll make it really high. Oh, it's so high it's saying the next note in the musical alphabet, which is G sharp, okay? So that's no good. If you're closer to the next note or like below in the alphabet, it's gonna snap to that. So you don't want to tune to G sharp. That's that little pound sign, sharp sign, hashtag, whatever. You're gonna want to go lower till you get there. Yep. This is a B here. I'll make this last one here E out of tune. And there you have it. You might want to go back through and double check to make sure they stayed in tune. The next way to tune is to tune by ear, and you're going to need an instrument that can play the correct pitches, such as a keyboard. I have a keyboard over here. So find this low E here on the keyboard, and you're going to match your instrument, the string, with that note. And if it's off, let's say it's like this, you're gonna have to determine with your ear whether or not you need to go higher or lower. So the obvious catch here is that if you're not able to determine if you're lower or higher than the note played, then you're not gonna be able to use this method. So the next one is an A. So these strings match up with the keys like this: D, G, B, and E, like that. So it'd be E, A, D, G, B, E. The final way to tune your guitar is to use an app like Guitar Tuna. You can get that for your phone or your tablet. It's really good. I'd show you, but I'm using my phone to record this video. But it basically uses the same sort of technology as the clip-on, except that it's going to use the mic inside of your device instead of detecting the vibrations. The one downside with that is that if there is any background noise going on, somebody like playing music in the background, it's going to listen to those notes and get confused. So you have to be in a somewhat silent area to tune your instrument. And that's it, guys. I hope that this helped you figure out how to tune your guitar. I know it can be really frustrating if your instrument is like super out of tune and you still can't get it in tune. You might just need to bring it somewhere and have somebody get you close. And then once it's close, you'll probably be able to use your tuner or tune by ear method to keep it close enough to be able to play it in tune. Thanks for watching this video. Rock on.